let's just pop in this thing and hit this button. Of course, you realize these things don't work on new televisions. 25-year-old adapter? To what? Plug in your UNIVAC? You want a cleaner for your Betamax so you can watch Cloak and Dagger? It comes with tinfoil for your bunny ears. I would suggest eBay to get this. Now all you need is a friend to play with.
I love video games.
Shut up. End level 1. You're the duck avoiding the hunters.
This seemed more advanced back in '85.
This game is horrible. This game is droppings all over a park after walking through it in the rain. This game is terrible. I'd rather work at a Harbor Freight Tools than to play this game. Okay, but it does get a little better at level 2. This time, you at least get to attack the hunters.
See, this is fun.
I'd rather have a buffalo take a diarrhea dump in my beak.
What? That's disgusting.
Well, I don't mean it literally.
Why would you think of something like that?
I didn't make it up. It's a metaphor.
From who? 2 girls with the cup?
Anyway, on to level 3. You'll know...
I bet you watch a lot of German porn.
You shut up. So now on to level 3.
It's a slippery slope as Italian mobster hunters invade the once peaceful woods. Turned greasy swampland.
Well, that's just borderline prejudice. But anyway, you at least get to upgrade the guns in this. So let's go untouchables on these guys.
They send one of ours to the taxidermy, we send one of theirs to the morgue. Ain't that just like a wop? Brings a knife to a duck hunt. I should have sent you to the Mario Brothers.
That wasn't even the right Sean Connery movie. And now on to level 4. This time, you ain't messing around.
Just like Rambo 5. What's wrong, chronologically confused?
I'll do the A.V.G and references around here, thank you. Anyway, now it's time to really go after these hunting predators. Get to the chopper! Yeah! And that seems to be it. Except, of course, for one final bonus round. Let's go to that and see what it is.